Happy birthday to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Pooja. I'm so proud, and this place is beautiful. And I would recommend to everybody. It was such a beautiful journey of 2.5 hours here, and I would say you were amazing, and you were too good. I mean, it was really nice.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Don't wait to be 60. Please come as soon as you can.
Yes.
This place is absolutely wonderful.
What a wonderful advice.
And spiritually, I've grown more sitting on the wheel. It's so beautiful. It's very, very soothing.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'd say it was real good fun. And to see bring out the creative side of you.
And go back to childhood days.
Yes, love to come back.
I didn't know I was talented.
The inner self. Yeah, we went into our inner self.
Yes, and bring out the child in you.
Yes. And for all age groups. For all age groups. Whether you are 4 or you are 70, 80, 90, you can come here.
Brings out the child in you, actually, basically.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Absolutely lovely. Thank you so
the way
much.
you actually mentored us and moved us into it.
Thank you
I
so
have to
much.
make 3 more next time.
Sure. Chalo, okay. Thank
All the
you.
best, Pooja.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.